Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a radiator in an Infiniti G35. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Next, you'll need to locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and carefully drain all the old coolant into your pan. This step is crucial for a clean and safe replacement process. Once the coolant is drained, you can begin disconnecting the hoses. Carefully remove the upper and lower radiator hoses, being mindful of any residual coolant. Next, unplug any electrical connections, such as those for the cooling fans or sensors. Then, you'll need to unbolt and remove the fan shroud, which often sits directly behind the radiator. Finally, remove the main mounting bolts that hold the radiator in place, preparing it for removal. Now it's time to install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into the engine bay, aligning it with the mounting brackets. Secure it in place by reattaching all the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Next, reinstall the fan shroud, ensuring it's properly seated and bolted down. Finally, reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight, and plug in all electrical connectors. Double-check everything for a snug fit. With the new radiator installed, it's time to refill your cooling system. Use the manufacturer-recommended coolant type and fill it slowly to avoid air pockets. After filling, you'll need to bleed the air from the system, often by running the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off until bubbles stop appearing. This ensures proper cooling. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Always inspect for leaks after a test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.